How to fix an error occurred while starting Roblox. 1. Restart your router, if any. 2. Check Roblox's server status. 3. Check firewall. Ensure your security software allow Roblox through its settings. 4. Disable antivirus. 5. Delete app data, the Roblox folder at % of data %. 6. Forward Roblox's ports in your router. 7. Flush DNS by IP protocol configuration / flushins command. Plan B, netshare winsock reset netshare int IP reset plan C, IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew plan D, IP protocol configuration / flushins endstat rr netshare int IP reset C : / reset log.txt netshare winsock reset A. Disable Windows proxy settings. 9. Uninstall / reinstall Roblox. 10. Use the UWP app on the Microsoft Store.